Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Module 27, and in Module 27 I'm going to introduce you to the predefined themes that are inside your dashboard in wordpress.com. Now I must point out that if you want to use these features of the predefined themes, it will cost you a $30 upgrade per year, but what's $30 in the scheme of things if you are creating and building an outstanding website? But again, it is entirely up to you, but I thought I'd point it out and show you this feature anyway. So to get to predefined things, we come over to Appearance and we go Custom Design. And here is the buy upgrade for $30, and with this upgrade you can change the fonts, you can change colors, and then you can use CSS, but I will come back to CSS very shortly. But what you can do is you can preview each of these options before you decide to buy an upgrade, because it may not be suitable for you at all. So let's preview what we can change with the fonts. Now with the fonts we can change the site title, we can change the heading of our site, and we can change the body text. So let's go ahead and let's change the site title. So let's find a font here. Let's use Anonymous Pro and see how that looks. Not bad. Let's change our heading. Let's try that with a font called Croquette. Interesting. And let's look at changing the body text on our social media news page. So here we are at the moment. So let me just highlight all of this text, which I don't think you need to do, but I will just in case. And let's change that to design for larger sizes, not for body text. Okay, let's try FF Meta Serif. And there we have those changes. And then you could save fonts and purchase, but we don't want to do that at the moment. And then let's go and have a look back at custom design. Let's preview what we can do with the colors. And this is loading for us. Now it is telling us that we are previewing the 2011. You are previewing the color features of custom design, purchase to make it live. Well, we want to preview. So what can we change here? We can change colors and backgrounds. So let's go ahead and have a look at those. Now, first of all, we can change our background color. And you have the option to pick any of these colors here, or pick your own. So let's go for this lime green. That's pretty in your face, isn't it? Okay, but we'll stick with that. Now this is to change the heading, so let's have a look at that, and let's make that grey. Is that going to work? Yes, it has, and here it is here. Again, you'd have to be careful with these colours. You could change the links, so let's change those links to this colour here, and we could change the menu hover. Let's take that to be blue, and finally we could change the menu colour, and let's make that orange. And look at these changes. Very interesting, but just to show you what you can do. You can change your header image, and if you click down here you will see that these are the header images that you can use. Let's go for a tram. There we go. And let's have a look at the navigation. What can we do with the navigation? Well, we've only got one navigation menu, so we'll leave that as it is. And then you can choose a static page if you like. Then we could save and publish, but this is just for experimenting, so we don't want to do that. So we'll cancel that. We'll come back over to menus. Let's go back to custom design, and I just want to quickly go through CSS. Now, CSS is a type of computer code, and it basically stands for Cascading Style Sheet. And this is if you wanted to add your own style code and completely change everything. If you are familiar with CSS and you wanted to completely change the style on the site, this is where you would do it. You do have the option also to preview. Just let me show you. Oh, we've had a problem here. Just let me pause the video. Sorry about that, team. My internet dropped right away, but we're back on now. Now, I said we would take a preview for free at CSS, and this is basically it. This is the computer code, and it just gives you the freedom to customize the site completely. But if you are not familiar with CSS, then I would honestly stay away from this computer code. So again, thank you for listening, and I will catch you in module 28. See you there.